So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy concert tickets here on Ticketmaster. So once Ticketmaster is opened up, I want you to go to this top bar right here to where it says concerts, sports, etc. And obviously go ahead and select concerts. Now what it's going to be doing is selecting near your location, or if you're going somewhere else perhaps you can go ahead and type in that destination. So for example, if you were going to New York City, maybe on a vacation or whatever, you can go ahead and type in the concerts. You can also go ahead and type in the date. So if you want to go to a concert, for example, let's just say Halloween night, for this example, it can go ahead and show you guys concerts during that time. So you can go ahead and scroll down. So, for example, if you wanted to go to Sabrina Carpenter, you can go ahead and press on the blue arrow right there. And once you guys are here, you can go ahead and just agree to this. You can go ahead and check what tickets are going for. So obviously these ones are quite expensive. For example, if you wanted to buy one ticket, for example, you can go ahead and do this. I'll just select this one as an example. I can show you guys the price right here and go ahead and show you the service fee as well, and go ahead and press on next. Now once you guys are here, it's going to want you guys to just go into your account right here. So once again, if I were to go ahead and press tickets right here, go ahead and press on next. You can sign into your account and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy concert tickets on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.